¿Listo para mejorar tu inglés? Recarga tu aprendizaje con nuestros videos llenos de diálogos e historias interesantes. Ahora, ponte cómodo y recarguemos tu inglés.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't see you reaching for it.
No, it's okay. You can have it if you want.
No, you were here first. Are you a fan of Jane Austen?
Not yet, actually. I've heard a lot about this book, but I've never read it.
Really? It's a great one. I've read it twice. Oh, sorry, I didn't introduce myself. I'm Juan.
Nice to meet you, Juan. I'm Laura.
Nice to meet you too, Laura. So, what brings you to the library today?
I'm here to find some books for a project I'm working on. I'm studying literature. What about you?
That's cool. I'm studying history. I come here a lot to read and sometimes just to relax.
That sounds nice. How old are you, Juan?
I'm 22. And you?
I'm 21, almost the same age.
Yeah, close enough. So, what's your favorite book?
That's a tough one. I really love The Great Gatsby. What about you?
Oh, that's a classic. For me, it's probably 1984 by George Orwell. I love how it makes you think about society.
That's a great choice. Do you like any other genres besides classics?
Definitely. I also enjoy mystery and adventure. What about you?
I'm more into contemporary fiction, but I've been trying to read more classics. That's why I was reaching for Pride and Prejudice.
Well, I can't let you miss out on this one. Here, you take it.
Are you sure?
Absolutely, but on one condition.
What's that?
After you finish it, we have to talk about it. Deal?
Deal.
Great. So, do you come to this library often?
Pretty often. It's my favorite place to study.
Same here. Maybe we'll run into each other again.
I hope so. Thanks for the book, Juan.
Anytime, Laura. Good luck with your project.
Thanks. See you around.